Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in basics that actually change performance. Update your phone OS and the Xbox Cloud gaming app so compatibility and codec fixes apply. Next, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a tethered wired hotspot. Lower latency beats raw speed for cloud play. Once done, force close background apps and exempt the streaming app from battery or data limits. This prevents frame drops and stalled buffers, which is why these quick steps are first and effective. Now you tune the middle part, network priority and controls. On your router, enable Co-S and give your phone top priority, or use a gaming profile. That reduces packet loss and jitter. For input, pair a low-latency Bluetooth controller or plug in via USB to eliminate wireless lag. Also, turn off VPNs and pause other heavy streams on the network, because available consistent bandwidth matters more than peak Mbps for steady frames and responsive controls. Finish by tuning in app settings and validating stability. Lower the stream quality to balanced or competitive to lock a higher, steadier frame rate. You'll trade some resolution for responsiveness, which matters on mobile screens. Clear the app cache and relaunch your session, then play for several minutes to confirm improvements. If problems remain, reboot both router and phone. Test an alternate DNS such as 1.1.1.1 and check for local interference. These steps usually resolve lingering latency or stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.